On behalf of all of Georgia 4-H, I would like to say a special thank you to the individuals and organizations that made the restoration of the Rock Eagle Chapel a reality. Your donation to help rebuild this beloved icon of Georgia 4-H is very much appreciated. This special video highlights the thoughtful restoration that brought our chapel back to life and also recognizes all the donors who made it possible. I hope you enjoy seeing what your investment helped create. And I look forward to the next time that we all can gather here in the chapel, which is the heart of Rock Eagle. Thank you for your continued support.
Every place has a heart, and for the Rock Eagle 4-H Center, this beautiful stone chapel is a hallowed space of reverence and memories. Thanks to generous donors, the Rock Eagle Chapel stands tall once again after a fire broke out in the afternoon of February 8, 2019, sweeping through the wood-rich interior. Heritage is what survives the past, and the Rock Eagle Chapel honors the building that once stood in every detail. The original restored copper steeple stands strong, along with original native stones hand-gathered by prisoners who built the first chapel back in the 1950s. The chapel's original doors greet a new generation of visitors who enter the building's narthex and walk below the nave. The chapel's original blueprints were used to hand make these trusses, reinforced by additional support walls. Old and new mark every corner of the Rock Eagle Chapel, from an original smoke-damaged pew in the back to the new pews handcrafted with the same woodworking skills of the originals. The chapel's beautiful windows may be new, but they were crafted by the son of the man who built the original windows back in 1953. From a new PA system to make announcements across the 4-H Center from the steeple, to a state-of-the-art interior sound system and audio-video capabilities, Georgia 4-H used this construction to modernize the chapel alongside original touches to honor the past while building toward a more efficient and longer life. A new wooden cross looks down on the original chapel pulpit, mirrored by the charred cross now at the back of the building. Situated on the property's most central and prominent location, the chapel grounds have served tens of thousands of guests over the past 6 decades. Thanks to your generosity, the chapel will be around for generations to come, continuing to beat as the heart of Rock Eagle.